The 10 most beautiful places to visit in Egypt. We are always looking for our roots, and learning about ancient civilizations in college frequently ignites a fascination for traveling to the nations that served as the cradle of modern civilization. We cordially encourage you to explore the most stunning of them, as well as the environment in which they are situated. 1. The major goal of a massive global campaign that was created was to save Abu Simbel and his royal colossi. 2. Alexandria, the most European of all Egyptian towns, is the one Alexander founded in 300 BC and which Ptolemy later expanded and enhanced. 3. Giza, the 3 pyramids of Cheops, Khephren, and Mykerinos are located on the Giza plateau, not far from Cairo. 4. Aswan and its islands. The scenery is particularly spectacular in this area as the blue Nile waters weave in and out of the lush islands that face the city. 5. Cruise on the Nile. Cruises on the Nile give you the chance to see and explore Egypt's most stunning locations for anywhere between 1 day to more than 3 weeks. 6. Karnak, the city had every structure required for the servants of the highest divinity to live a comfortable life. 7. Cairo, you can only find out about the Giza Plateau's pyramids from Cairo. 8. Luxor, this finished the layout of the site begun by its forerunner Amenephis III, whose courtyard, temple, and rooms for births and offerings, as well as the chapel for signs, are also visited. 9. Hurghada and the Red Sea, this city has a long sandy beach and offers a breathtaking scene of islands surrounded by immaculately clear water. Originally a fishing port that has been transformed into a tourist area with several hotels. 10. Sinai, without exploring the Sinai Peninsula, its desert, and its amazing geology, no trip to Egypt is complete.